Hey guys, Babatunde Motao here, and today's video is about how to connect Oraimo smartwatch to iPhone. This applies to all models of iOS smartphone. Without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. On your iPhone, go to the App Store. Search for JoyWear 2 app. Once up, select the Get option. A pop-up of the App Store. Select Install. Wait for it to complete its installation. Now that it has been installed, select Open. Another pop-up of Privacy Policy and User Agreement. Select Agree. You have the login of the JoyWear 2 app. Access the app by either registering as a new user or login as a old user, using your email or your Apple account or Facebook account. For this tutorial, I will skip just that. Select Skip at the top right corner. The next page requires your gender. Select male or female and pick the next arrow. Next page is about the height. Select your height, the weight, and the age with the default goal of 8,000. Pick the appropriate ones and select Complete. A pop-up message requesting JoyWear 2 to allow access to your location. Select Allow when using app option. Another pop-up on Bluetooth access. Select OK. Again, another pop-up for JoyWear 2 and Bluetooth new connection settings. Select Settings. On the Bluetooth page, check if your Oraimo watch is on the list. Select the watch if found. But if not found, no worries. Please exit the settings and go home. Now, reopen the JoyWear 2 app and select OK option. Now, select Please connect device. The next page will show Select Device. Tap on it. Your iPhone will start to search for your Oraimo smartwatch. Perfect. Now your watch has been found with the name Oraimo watch. Select it. Instantly, the JoyWear 2 app will connect Oraimo smartwatch to iPhone. You can confirm your connection from the link symbol on your Oraimo smartwatch, as you can see here. In order to receive your social media notification on your Oraimo smartwatch, please complete the settings. Another pop-up for Oraimo notifications on your iPhone, select Allow. By going to the Device tab, select App option. The next page will show you social media app settings. Here you can toggle and untoggle the ones that you want to be notified of. Once done, press the back key. Now, go to the firmware update to check for updates. If you have the latest version, you are good to go. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section down below and I'll reply as soon as possible. I remain Babatunde Motao. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Peace.